Okay, welcome back. What I want to do is to again bring to your attention something in regards to health and safety, in regards to the 101, 001, or 301, in regards to the 2357 and the 5357. Okay, so all I want to provide you with some information in Riddor. Now remember, you've got to write this up yourselves because it has to form part of your own work and your own presentation. All I'm doing, I'm providing you with the information that will help you write up your own work and for your own presentation. Okay. Okay. And reporting of incidents. So Riddor actually means the reporting of incidents which have occurred. What is Riddor? Okay. Reporting of injuries, diseases, dangerous occurrences, regulations. Okay, and that is Riddor. Just move into it so you can make sure you get the info. Okay, that is Riddor. Okay, now what should you report? It is a legal requirement to report incidents. Report incidents help enforcing authorities to identify risk and investigate serious accidents. Okay. Only report work-related accidents, over 7-day injuries to workers, injuries to non-workers. We'll just go back a little bit, pick that up, make sure that we get this for you to view. Now this is what you will need to be writing about, and this should form part of your own work. So you'll be extracting this information and using it in your own text. You can add bits to it. Now what I hope to do at the end is to show you where you can get additional information in regards to Riddor from the HSE website. Okay. Okay, carry on. Who has responsibility to report? If you are an employer in control of premises or self-employed, you have a legal duty to report incidents. What is reportable? Death, major injuries, accident resulting with over a 7-day injury, meaning that you're off work for 7 days or more. Occupational diseases, occupational dangerous occurrences, and occupational gas incidents. Okay, make sure we get this up. You can set this in full. Yeah. Okay. Now here we have examples of major injuries. Okay, let me just make sure we can get that into view. Okay. Any fractures, amputation, dislocation of the shoulder, permanent loss of sight, etc., etc. Okay. Examples of serious conditions include crush injuries, serious burns, scalping, that's the separation of your skin from the head, unconsciousness, any other injuries. Okay. And here we have examples of reportable diseases include carpal tunnel syndrome, some skin diseases, lung diseases, severe cramp, other conditions, etc., etc. Okay, you can read it for yourself. Make sure that it's visible and you can see it. Okay, yes, you can. Okay, good. How to report it? Okay, online, go to WSHE Riddor. That is still the same as it is now. Okay, and I've just checked, and I'm going to show you that in a moment, hopefully. The telephone number may have changed, but I didn't feel to change that, because if you dial it, it should actually refer you to the new numbers. Okay, keeping records. You must keep a record of any report, so you have your accident report books. You know, any other occupational incident causing injuries that result in the worker being away from work or incapacitated for more than 3 consecutive days. Only report if incapacitation goes over 7 days. Okay. Retention of records. Accurate records are kept. Any accident, incident, etc. Okay. For example, record may be kept by recording the details on a computer, keeping a written log in a accident book, etc. Okay. Riddor summary. Okay. The Riddor regulation cover death, portable occupations, portable dangerous occurrences, etc. You can read that for yourself. Don't need me to read that out to you. Okay. And you're quite capable of reading. Thank you. And there you are. Okay. Now I hope you would have found this useful. Okay. And so forth. Okay, so what I want to do now is that I'm just going to close him down for a minute, and I'm going to, well, I shouldn't need to close him down and bring him up, I suppose, and have a look at this. Okay, what I want to do is just to show you that. Let me just zoom into this so you can see that okay, that we have the HSC web page here. Okay, so you can see this for yourself. Okay, you just need to type into here what you want. Hang on, sorry, I've gone a bit high. Okay, yeah, you just need to type into here what you're looking for. Okay, and it will bring up a lot of topics for you to see and look at. Okay, here I've only given a few. Okay, so and all this is what you will need. Okay, okay, and here you have slips and trips at work and so forth. Okay, all right, let me go to the next page that I wanted to show you. Here we're simply showing you the summary fatal injuries to workers by most common accident kinds. Okay, now I'm hoping that we can get this into view. Okay, yes, I believe we probably can, yeah. And let's make sure we can get goals. Okay, and all I've done here is to just again showing you that it is found in the HSE, on the HSE website kind of page. Okay, and here you have a list of other things. Now there's stacks of information, and if you type in legislations, it will give you a lot more. Okay, now I will tend to take my time just to make sure that I'm not pushing it. Okay, that's fine. Thank you. I hope you found this useful. Have a good day, and that's where I'll end. Thank you. Bye bye.